General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. I think that's it. Week 3. Logs, Monday the 16th. Monday 6/16/25. Let's go to Forex Factory. Taking off the caps locks. Retail sales tomorrow at 8:30. Sales 8:30 tomorrow. Fed watch, I know it's not changing. I mean, it'd have to be like some headline I missed or something. Okay, we at 98%. Don't even look at it. Let's go here. I'll check it tomorrow still because I still have to check it, but as long as it don't. Okay, we're locking in numbers. Today was Empire Manufacturing. Tomorrow is retail sales. Earnings season is winding down. It's 87% for July 30th. Chance for no rate cut. Let's go to earnings. Tuesday, Beyond Air. Lazy Boy. Nothing that will move the NASDAQ. Go to the dollar on the daily. Okay. I wanted to go here next. Okay. I'm looking for the dollar to run buy side liquidity before looking for continuations lower. Let's go today. Nasdaq. Okay. Got an update and new week opening gap. Did the contracts roll over yet? No, because everything's gonna. All my lines are gonna move. Yep, they did. Previous month's high. What is this? Week 1 high. It's week 3. I was just telling somebody about how the lines move, even on continuous contracts. Okay, it's a 3-week swing low somewhere. Okay, got all this. This was this, I bet. This is this. And I don't know what this is. I think this could have been that. That's what it is. It's gonna have to be that for now. This goes here. This is closed above here. This is some old weekly high here. Old all-time highs here. This was a monthly order block. Okay. This was the daily order block here. Completely disrespected. This was the liquidity sweep here. It's week 1 highs. Body's close above this. You can take this off. I'm kind of far away from this now. This was this. That's cool. This is that gap. I don't know what this is. There we go. Take this off. Take this off. It's just far. I mean, we still got that gap down here. I like that gap too. It's just far. We can take this off. This is this from over here. Okay, we can keep the rest. This is that quarterly open. Okay. We're digging into this gap. Daily. We already smacked this. This is a stop hunt. Where it looks like we're playing in this gap, but it doesn't look like we got here. Sound like it's about to rain. Where's my 2025 open price? I want to make sure this is correct. December. Here. Okay. What's the rest of this? Closed above here. I don't even need this. Okay. This will fill that volume imbalance. Well, it's the old balance price range. Where's liquidity at here? We already snatched that. That's a stop hunt. Here. Like this pink or something. All-time high looks doable. Just making sure. So it's an old gap. This is Memorial Day. This is important. This is like some old weekly stuff. Hold on, wait. Hit delete. There we go. Here. It's week one high. Then we'll go here. It's just the closest this week. It's old week high. Old week high. And this is an old week low. I still say this is the closest target here. What is this line? Previous month's high. That's what that is. Let's make this. Um, let's make this color light blue. Okay, that's what that is. Buy under lows. Yep, we're definitely not in the buy zone. Let's take the high and die and target this whole week down here. I even like the push up. I'll take it. So this is today. Completely one-sided day. Price is definitely hunting outside of push. Plan for the week. Wait for a pivot. High of the week. And look for sales. Let's go to the weekly. It's nothing here on the weekly. I think this is from here. It's crazy how many. Well, this candle is here, but it's crazy how many weeks we haven't had a real stop hunt. Like even this is lower than this. Here. This is the last stop hunt. Crazy. This was the first swing high. 3-bar swing high. It was this one. So I think that's where this one comes from. That line I had from that week. Weekly's very bullish. All-time high is not too far. Keep an eye on the news, political, and economic. I would say war, but that's kind of fits in with political. So price ran these lows. We technically should run these highs fast. Price ran these lows. Technically should run the highs fast since we already accumulated long positions. Under daily lows. Let's go to H4. This 22, 370, 50 looks next. And we got us a decent fair value gap here. might have to change that because I don't like it trying to take over, especially if you get to playing in it too long. It'd be nice if Price digs into it overnight and pushes up, and you can just watch the retest instead of having Price surrounded in blue. I hate that. Okay, thinking 5 retracements to target. What's this? 22, 3, 27.50. 22, 3, 27.50. London vote is permitted. Week 3 volatility should be good. Let's go to H1. 50% of this does look good. It's kind of thick. It needs to be. There we go. 50% of Monday. Okay, that'll work. We have a propulsion block here. Okay, H1 propulsion block or bullish. And I need an alert. So we'll just use this line. An alert. And Q reaching to fair value. Okay. And that blue line, I believe, is previous month's high. Because it's June. This is June. No, that's old weekly high. That's what that is. Let's see where this one comes from. Yeah, that is previous month's high. Go here. Yep, that's previous month's high. Okay, looking for a retest of previous month's high or lower to stock buys for the first part of the week. Target is this one. Let me make sure that's right. 32750. 32. Yep, it is 32750. Alerts set. Alerts. The previous month's high. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.